And I imagine that those two initiatives were born in part from your, full centers tour, the various portals that you've opened up to bring in ideas of things people like, things people would like to see changed. Based off of the patterns and the specific data points that you've been able to gather from that, what's kind of the next big Jared Isaacman initiative stemming from what you've been hearing from the workforce?
Well, I think in the not too distant future, we're going to bring a lot of people together in DC to talk about a handful of major initiatives. We're going to go into greater specifics on Artemis acceleration and what that looks like past Artemis 5. If you're building a moon base and you're going there to stay, well, you're going to need lots of missions to and from the moon from a crew perspective, from a logistics perspective. So there's going to be an Artemis acceleration discussion. We're going to talk about the moon base. I want landers on the moon and South Pole on a monthly cadence starting in the beginning of 2027. There is a lot to build out there. We got comms, navigation, we've got power. We're going to start doing some like surface improvement demonstrations. We're going to have rovers everywhere. So there's a lot to talk about on that. We're going to talk about nuclear power and propulsion. We're going to talk about more missions of science and discovery. So there's a lot of good coming up. Those are like, what I'd say, like the sexier topics everybody gets really excited about. And then we have just lots of workforce directives and initiatives that are coming out. That is going to be based on all the information gathering that's been taking place, that continues to take place, the thousands of submissions from the workforce, from industry of how does NASA do better. And it's like, you can't do all those fun, exciting things we want to build a moon base if you don't address all these very real concerns and problems that come up from the workforce where, whether it's policy, regulation, things that are just impeding progress, you have to clear it out and unleash them. So we'll talk about those too. This is all in works right now. Like nobody's waiting, months or years to hear about it. It's weeks.
But you got to patch the cracks in the foundation before you build something strong.
Yeah, well, you're going to have to do both. Like and frankly, that's what the taxpayers should expect of us with the $25 billion a year we get. That's like for the space-loving community around the world should have very high expectations for NASA. We can work on all those exciting things and fix some of those cracks, as you mentioned, at the same time.